Hey everybody, I want to talk to you about how I use the bookmark tool in Google Chrome to help stay organized while I'm working throughout the day. The first thing you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into Google Chrome so that your bookmarks are stored. And you'll see here up at the top right corner, if you need to sign in, you'll just sign in with your school email and password or a personal email and password. And then you are going to click on View and always show Bookmarks Bar. And what that does is it adds a little bookmarks area right underneath your URL bar. Now, the usual way that you will create a bookmark is that you will just press the little star and it will allow you to add it to a specific folder. Here I'm adding it to the bookmarks bar. I could create another folder if I wanted to, and that's how a lot of people organize it. You can also name links so that you remember a little bit better what that is, and then press done. And now you'll see that the bookmark is now on my bookmarks bar. And this is one that I go to all the time, so I'm going to leave it there. Now, another way that I organize my bookmarks bar is you can add folders to the bookmarks bar. To do that, you're going to click Control, and then you're going to click your cursor inside the bookmark bar, and that's going to open up the menu, and you're going to add folder. Now, when I add folders, instead of giving them a name, I put a picture on there because I can pile in more folders if I just use a picture. To get a picture, I'm going to go Command Control Spacebar. That opens up my icons, and then I'm going to choose an image that represents the information in the folder. So for me, I might create a folder with all school stuff. So I'm going to search, here's a bus, and I'm going to choose the bus and drop that in and press save. And now that adds a little folder with a bus on it. And now any websites that I have that I use a lot for school, I'm going to put in there. So if I click this curriculum site, the easy way to get it into this folder is to click on the URL and then just drag it into the folder. Now I can close that, click, drag. Okay, and now when I click on this folder, I can see the links that I saved. So I'm just going to do that again. So this folder is going to be for lesson planning, and I am going to hit Control, and then I'm going to click inside my bookmarks bar, and I am going to add a folder, choose Command Control Spacebar to pull up those icons. For this, because it's kind of like the stuff I have to do, I'm going to use that check mark. Okay, now if I want this to be my very first folder or link on my bookmarks bar, I'm just going to press that folder and I am going to drag it over to be first. And now I'm going to do the same thing where I'm just going to add in the documents that I'm working on. The nice thing about this is if you're working in Google Slides, Google Docs, Sheets, anything like that, you can just open up that link that you're working in, click on the URL, drag that right into your folder, and it's going to save there. And you can kind of clean up your workspace and keep it neat and tidy. As you're delivering the lesson or as you're finished with the lesson, you're going to find that you don't need all these links. What you'll do is you can open up that folder and you can just go to Control, click on that link to open up the menu and delete it. What that will do is it will delete the link, not the actual document. So you don't have to be afraid about deleting things from your bookmarks bar. It's just deleting the bookmark link, not the actual link itself, like not the actual website or not the actual document. This is just a quick way to kind of stay organized so that you don't end up with 40 tabs open and you can't find the tab that you need. Just adding these little folders to this bookmarks bar helps to keep things all right at the top and helps you get there a lot quicker. So hopefully this will help you be a little more productive and be able to find what you're looking for a little bit faster. And if you have any questions, please let me know.